Persevere, unlock the power of persistence. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into an important word that not only holds weight in the English language but also in our daily lives. The word is persevere. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also how to use it in various contexts. To persevere means to continue doing something despite facing difficulties or challenges. It's about not giving up, even when the going gets tough. In other words, it's about showing persistence and determination. For example, even though he faced many challenges, he persevered and eventually achieved his goal. Learning a new language is hard, but you need to persevere to become fluent. The word persevere comes from the Latin word perseverare, which means to abide by strictly or to persist. Knowing its origin can help you remember its meaning because the word carries a sense of strict commitment and continuation over time. Let's look at some more examples to understand how to use persevere in different contexts. 1. Even when the training got intense, the athletes persevered. 2. Many famous authors were rejected multiple times but persevered until they got their work published. 3. To master any skill, one must persevere through failures and setbacks. Understanding synonyms can give you more tools to express the same idea. Here are some synonyms for persevere: persist, endure, continue, press on, stay the course. Persevere is more than just a word, it's a mindset of persistence and determination. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and usage. Remember, in language learning and in life, it's essential to persevere. Keep going, and success will find its way to you.